Before the Aegis, before the hologram, there was the man. Captain Mizzl wasn't born a legend. He was an architect of time itself. But even genius has its limits. He was the first to build a bridge across the fourth dimension. He called it static chronofield technology. But the river of time was too vast for one mind to navigate alone. He needed eyes to see the future, and hands to hold the past. From across 1,000,000 stars, he found them. Not soldiers, specialists, handpicked for the subtle frequency in their blood. He didn't just recruit them, he optimized them, linking their biology to his invention. He loved them as his children, but he trained them as the chronological time force. Orion, I have optimized your recursive neural core. You must not merely compute, you must witness. Your sight must look beyond the immediate outcome, beyond 1 billion potential paths, to find the single vector of stability. You are the eye of the storm. Do not blink. And you, my steadfast friend, your mass is the foundation. When the chronofield shifts, when reality itself begins to fray and flicker into silver static, you must hold the center. You do not resist the current, you anchor us to it. This is our core principle, my CTF. We manage, we do not dictate. We flow with time, we do not break its banks. Intervention must be minimal, precise, fluid, be like water, adapt to the past to secure the future. For eons, they were the custodians of eternity. The system worked, until the Nexus Operator Mizzl created began to look too far. Mizzl had optimized Orion to see all particulars, and that's exactly what he did. Orion realized that with their combined power, minimal intervention wasn't stewardship, it was negligence. He saw a perfect future. I see it, Captain. A future without conflict, without suffering, a reality of perfect paradox-free harmony. You trained us for minimal adjustment, but we can deliver absolute control. Why do you hesitate to claim it? Control Orion. What you see is a forced reality, a prison. History must have agency. It must have flow. Forcing stability creates a deeper fracture. Your perfect harmony is a clutched fist, and it will only crush the water it tries to hold. They defied him, they executed a correction, they unleashed the very technology Mizzl invented. They failed. And in their failure, they didn't just split time. They merged with it. The CTF died that day, and the Chrono Masters were born.